everyone, welcome back to Kids World, where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today we're going to discover something truly amazing, how birds fly. Have you ever watched a bird soaring high in the sky and wondered, how do they do that? Well, get ready, because we're going to find out. First, let's talk about the parts of a bird that make flying possible. Birds have special wings and feathers designed for flight. Their strong muscles give them the power to flap those wings and take off. When a bird flaps its wings, it creates something called lift. Lift is the force that pushes the bird up into the air. Imagine pushing your hand through water. You can feel the water pushing back against your hand. That's similar to how air works for birds. You can try a little experiment at home. Hold a piece of paper by the edge and wave it up and down. Do you feel how the air lifts the paper? That's a tiny example of lift. Birds use different flight patterns depending on what they need to do. Eagles soar high to spot their prey from above. Hummingbirds hover in one place to sip nectar from flowers. Isn't that cool? Now let's talk about thrust. Thrust is the force that moves the bird forward. When birds flap their wings, they push air backward, which moves them forward. It's like when you swim and push water back to go forward. So, when a bird flaps its wings, it's creating both lift and thrust, allowing it to fly up and forward. Time for some fun facts. Did you know that the peregrine falcon is the fastest bird in the world? It can dive at speeds of over 240 miles per hour. And the albatross has the longest wingspan, reaching up to 12 feet wide. Isn't that incredible? Birds have so many amazing abilities that make them masters of the sky. Next time you see a bird flying, you'll know all about the science behind their incredible flight. Thanks for joining us on this flying adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe,